Are you still logged in to Facebook on your Android phone but forgot your password? Let me show how to check your saved Facebook password step by step. Method 1. See Facebook password via Google Password Manager. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Password, Passkeys and Accounts. Then tap Google. Now tap Google Password Manager. Find facebook.com and tap it. Verify with your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. After that, tap the eye icon to view your saved account password. Method 2. See Facebook password via Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your device and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. After that, tap Google Password Manager. Then search for facebook.com and tap it. Next, unlock with your phone security. Tap the eye icon to reveal your password. If your password isn't saved anywhere, open the Facebook app. Tap Forgot Password. Reset your password using your email or phone number. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.